Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier webhooks with AI for CRM updates step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, click on Make a Zap at the top of the dashboard. You will be directed to a new page where you can set up your Zap. In the Trigger app search bar, type webhooks and select it from the results. Choose Catch Hook as your trigger event and click Continue. You will be provided with a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL to your clipboard for use in your CRM. Next, head over to your CRM and find the Settings or Integrations section. Look for Webhook Settings, where you can set up a new webhook. Paste the Zapier webhook URL into the designated field. Configure the webhook to trigger on the specific event you want, such as a new lead or an updated contact. Save your settings in the CRM to activate the webhook. Return to Zapier and click Test Trigger to check if the webhook is working. If successful, you'll see a sample data received from your CRM. Click Continue to move on to the next step in your Zap. Now, select the action app where you want to send the data. Search for your desired action app and choose it from the list. Select the appropriate action event and click Continue. You'll be prompted to connect your account for this action app, if necessary. Authenticate your connection and click Continue. Now, map the fields from the webhook data to the corresponding fields in your action app. Once you've completed the mapping, click Continue again. To test this action, you'll see an option to send a test to the selected app. Click on Test and Continue to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Finally, name your Zap at the top of the page. Switch your Zap on using the toggle button. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Zapier webhooks for CRM updates with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.